Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to unbox my new microphone, the Seiren X with Razer, and we're going to unbox the basic recording microphone stand, like your typical boom arm. Just a generic stand that I got off Amazon. It was like $20, nothing special. But this one right here is the clamp, right, for your desk. You got a good 2 inches to actually attach it, and then you've got the arm itself, right? Which opens and closes accordingly. You can also adjust the spring tension, right, on the arm. Here's your, I believe this is your attachment point for the microphone, or what we're about to unbox, I think. Yeah, right here. The little mic stand itself, right? So you can stick a traditional microphone and just slide it right through and set it in there, so, and adjust that as you want. So there's the arm, the mic stand, and the clamp. That one is actually stapled together. And last but not least, you got a little instruction piece of paper. Simple way to put it together. And this little 5/8 bolt converter. So this is actually what you need to mount a microphone like the Seiren X or a Yeti. Or some other, I think there's what is one called, like a Snowball or something. To this microphone stand, you gotta have this converter, which is good. So there we have it. Nice black color. I like it. And then we've got the microphone now. Let's do that unboxing next. Oh, nice. Right when you open it, you got a good padded cushion going on there, and you just pull your mic out. There it is. You can see maybe you see the Razer symbol there in that side, and then of course on this side is your control knob with a mute button, and then on the bottom you've got the USB power and your connection. And you also have a headphone jack, so you can listen directly to what's going into the mic and you can hear it live. This is our screw point, right? So this will go right into the bottom, right? So we'll actually put this on the boom arm first and then put the microphone on it. But that's how you convert it down to the smaller 3/8 inch threads. So we got our mic right there. Look in a little further. Ooh, for gamers, by gamers, if you want to feel really special. It is a manual, a little quick start guide. From what I read before I got this, it may or may not have some detailed instructions about how to set up the levels in the computer. It looks like there is a little bit of instructions here now. I don't know if earlier versions didn't have that, but there's the very nice Razer sticker. Get that with it. And then lastly, if you're not going to mount it on a boom arm, you get your swivel base. This is pretty hefty. This is like a paper. You know, if you picture this size in your hand, that's about the weight of a paperweight. You can hear it, right? Pretty heavy. And I like this, so after looking at that, inside the box just then, man, this is the kind of USB cable that I really like. And it looks like they have done some work from previous things that I saw online. Right, let's see if that focuses. Right, this is actually going to plug into the bottom of your mic. And the last time I heard was that the cable was just a normal USB cable that went straight out, and it gave people real frustration when they had it mounted to the floor. To the desk weight like this, and that's really good to see that they fixed that problem with the cables. And then we've got another. This is the extender so that you can actually, it's upside down, but still, you can screw it on there, and then you screw that on, and you can swivel it around. Is there anything else? Let's see. I don't see anything else hidden, so that looks like it's about everything. So you get a nice box, a nice elegant layout that you open yourself up to, and that should be about it. So it does work well. I can already tell you right now that this particular boom arm comes with the right converter so that it will screw in and allow you to attach it to the boom arm. Yeah, that's it. That's our unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.